You're already in that cage. You built it yourself.
Bowling alley chic. Like the floor.
Bowling alley?
Yes, I live in a bowling alley.
Hey guys! Today's video is actually going to be very exciting. I am going to be redecorating my room. This side of my room that you guys always look at, I feel like always looks pretty good because there's plants and it's pretty white. I'm only going to be changing a few things on this side of my room, but on the other side of my wall, it is not looking good. The wall that I'm looking at right now, it doesn't look good. I have one pink wall with nothing on it. I have clutter everywhere, cords everywhere, baskets of clothes that I need to sell, like just, it's a mess. And I thought it's new year, you know, it's a new year, so why not just do this? But I want to give you guys like a full 360. Super cluttered over here. That basket has stuff that I'm selling in it. This, I feel like up here is always pretty cluttered. It's my bed. I think I'm gonna keep the bedding, but I want to like get pillows probably. I need to make that better. I painted it, it looked nice, but it just doesn't match the other parts of my room. And then over here, as you can see, just disgusting, like clutter city happening. So these drawers are packed full of books and I have nowhere to put them. So I'm gonna put a shelf here, I think. And then I also want to do a cork board up there, I'm thinking. We'll see. So before I get my can of paint, I'm gonna go ahead and move my bed to this wall so that I can have a clear space to paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Lowe's and get the paint. So let's go. Hi! So I just went ahead and moved everything off this wall. As you can see, my room is just stuffed with everything just pushed to that side. So now I have my nice wall, and I left a little bit of space here so that I obviously can paint. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Lowe's right now to get the paint and paint the wall. Hi, I'm back. I tried to get footage at Lowe's, my phone died, so I couldn't get footage. I got the paint right here. I'm gonna put these on my floor because I don't have a tarp, so. Also went to the dollar store and bought this. Oh yeah. Let's get to painting. The sun is setting. It is 3:42 and I think I am done painting. I started at 2, so it did take me a while, but I did take a little break in between just because I wanted the coats to dry. This took about 2.5 coats of paint. You can see the wall right here. So I'm actually going to turn my fan on. I'm going to clean up. I'm gonna go ahead and just let the fans go and leave my doors open. I'll give it at least an hour to dry because this paint actually dries really quickly, and then I'm going to put my room back together and then hang up my vines and do everything else in my room. So yeah, I'm very tired. I really want to eat right now, and yeah, it really hurt my hand. Like my hand was cramping up. It was not fun. So I'm just happy it's over and I'm going to eat a quesadilla. Okay, see ya. Hi! If I didn't have my ring light on right now, this is what it would look like. So I am keeping my ring light on, at least for now, because as you can see, it is getting dark out. Oh my gosh, it's so cold right now. I'm gonna shut the window. The wall is basically dry, so I am going to put my bed back and my headboard and set my room up the way that it was. So I actually want to point out one thing that I did to these plant holders, and I actually did the same thing to my cup on my desk, which you guys will see, but I gave them a checkered paper, and actually it's just paper. I literally just printed out a checkerboard pattern off of my computer, off of Google, and I just double-sided taped it on and kind of wrapped it around. It didn't even wrap around all the way, but you can't see that. And when the checkerboard trend kind of dies, I can just take the paper off and it's just a white cup. Since I switched the Elvis picture to that side of my wall, now I have nothing for this wall, but luckily I made something to go on this wall actually a week ago. I made this a week ago, which is this corkboard that I filled with all different types of pictures, things that are important to me, things that are just good looking for my room, and I am going to hang this up so I can add things throughout the year, and it gives a little bit of color to my white room. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think it's really cute. It gives a little bit of a personal touch to my room. Yeah. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of extra space right here, and I want to put my guitar actually where I'm looking right now. So guess who painted shelves? Me. I'm gonna go get them. Ta-da! Here are the shelves I painted. We had this in my basement and it was like a standard wood color, and I needed something to go in this area, but I didn't like the wood color, so we always have paint in my house, so I just painted it white. Now I actually have a place for my books and a place for like a plant, so I am very happy about this. This lighting sucks. So I am almost done. I have to tidy up a little bit more and like vacuum and stuff, but I am going to put the vines up over my bed. This I got off Amazon, 13 strands, 6 foot each for $12. I was going to buy the ones off of Urban Outfitters. They were 5 strands, 6 foot each for $14.99. So this is definitely a way better deal than the ones from Urban Outfitters. I'll leave the link down below to the ones that I got because it's such a better deal. I've been ripping at these trying to get them untangled and they have not broken. So my goal is kind of to start on this side of the wall, kind of near where the plant is, and make it look like it's almost growing out of the plant all over my wall somehow. This is the completed room. I am in love with it. I think it is so cute. I think it is so cute and so my style. My dog even matches my room. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, found it, I don't know, inspirational, hopefully, because I love these videos. I think they're so much fun. I love decorating my room and redoing it. It's something that I honestly feel like I do every single year. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. It really means a lot to me. Anyways, I just got home from school, so I'm going to take a nap and do homework. And I will see you guys next time. Say bye, Rocco. Say bye.